XRP coin holders definitely need to take a look at this, as we're starting to see some movement here on XRP. But there's one thing that I do want to mention, so make sure you do watch this until the end. If you guys haven't yet, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Check out that Patreon with the link down below in the description. For $1 a day, you can get the buy and sell indicator along with joining the private Discord. I also have added new things to the Discord and other factors to kind of help you learn TA, cryptocurrency market in general. So just go ahead and check it out with the link down below in the description. Also, XRP is currently seeing some movement within the last 48 to 72 hours along with the overall market. The overall market is currently seeing some volatility and some volume, but that is one thing that we have to take a look at and see what exactly is currently going on with XRP and some other factors that we're seeing right now on these altcoins and cryptocurrencies. As you guys can see here, the buy and sell signal has not issued a signal within just the last few little bits. You can see within 12 days and 15 hours, over 145% gain currently on XRP. You see that it kind of goes into that uptrend and starting to kind of hit that downtrend here. That could be something that we do have to kind of take a look at throughout the next few days. Right here, we're going kind of in a trend. Within probably the next 12 hours, we're going to see what exactly happens here. We may see some price action if we kind of go on the downside, going back down to that $1.15, if not any lower. But what I'm expecting here is how we kind of holding up the line. We may see an uptrend getting closer back to this $1.46. This is definitely going to be the target. What we need to see is some possible movement where we're going to see a double bottom pattern, and that could kind of give us this indication here where we kind of go back to that $1.55, if not that $1.63. Within the last few days, you can see that it kind of has broke the trend multiple ways back to back. You can see it broke the trend here. It kind of cooled off, got really close, and then it went ballistic. And you can kind of see the double top pattern here. So there was people trading this. We're starting to see some movement as we kind of cool back down, which with these kind of runs, you're going to have to see some bit of a pullback. People are going to take profits, and that is something that you can just need to expect when investing in any altcoin or the crypto market itself, as there's going to be a lot of people trading this coin along with other factors in general. So now, I do want to talk about some key points that's recently happened on XRP. Ripple CLO declares victory over the SECs. Gensler calling it a blueprint for resisting anti-crypto enforcement policies. Along with it, faces market uncertainty as the SEC's appeal strategy looms. If it does appeal it, there's a possibility that this could cause this to kind of pull back just a little bit further and kind of lose some hype along with that. Trump's crypto leadership may shift regulatory tides, and that is something that we could see as well, definitely in January and the new year as he does step foot as president. The SEC's appeal withdrawal could boost XRP's demand and set Ripple's sales rolling at a crypto market precedent. It could be something that we do see, and it'll be something that could be looked at for the next century or even decades. We're starting to see movement with this coin though, and that is going to be a lot of noise, and the noise along with that is a lot of news, uncertainty, and things that are currently happening in the legal side of the cryptocurrency aspect, with XRP being the main focus. And like I said, it could set a precedent, and then that could be some action that we do see on the XRP coin that could make us bullish or even see a pullback potential here. With the recent gains on XRP, you're going to expect that we're going to see a pullback, just kind of like how we did if we take a look at the daily chart, like we did back here in 2021. Also, along with going into 2022 and the last bull run that we've seen in the altcoin. So as I'm kind of scrolling back here to XRP back during this time, you can even see we had nice little runs of around over 218% in 11 days, along with factors as also pulling back 46% in 10 days. So you're also seeing it multiple times where it was going up 50 to 60% in price very, very quickly, and you're also seeing a massive pullback along with that. Currently, this is how the 1 day looks. It's been pretty much bullish for the last 20 days. We could be getting closer to seeing that first daily red candlestick as the market is kind of pulling back, along with a lot of movement in a lot of these other cryptocurrencies. If you take a look at the 4 hour, you can kind of see the stair climbing here. You can see it kind of stair climbs, and then it kind of gets back up there to where it needs to be, and it's As we start to see a lot more of these runs like here, we're starting to see a little bit more of a pullback where people are trading these resistance along with some support lines like you see here whenever we kind of went through that consolidation period. If you've been watching my last previous XRP videos, you can see where I did talk about when it's trying to break this trend, what there is a possibility of what could happen. If we get back below that $1.30, it could put us into another trend that we may see it kind of drop below, and that'll probably be whenever we see that first red candlestick on the daily time frame. From a bullish perspective, I do think with the news that could be potentially coming with XRP could make it bullish, which could give it a nice little run, along with the overall market could be seeing changes in general, as a lot of people are still FOMOing in and also seeing a lot of hype around some of these other coins as Bitcoin try to recap to that $100,000 price range. With that being said, you can kind of see that XRP's movement has been very volatile. It's very volume based, so it's going to be based off the total market cap with the daily amount of trading volume. With the amount of trading volume that we're seeing today is $11.6 billion. That $11.6 billion is going to be a lot of money where we're starting to see it rise and pull back very quickly. Circulating supply is 57 billion XRP with a typical hold time of 85 days with an all-time high that we still haven't reached of $3.84. For us to reach that, we're going to need to get around 180 to $200 billion market cap, where we're currently sitting at a $79.3 billion market cap, while the popularity on Coinbase is number 6, beating Dogecoin, which is number 7. Remember guys, if you do like this type of content, hit that like button and subscribe down to the channel down below. Along with understanding my price prediction is going to be bullish, trying to retest that $1.55. If we do start to kind of see a bit of a pullback down to that $1.30, that means we must have broke the trend on the hourly and 4 hourly time frames, which could be sending us back down to that $1.25 to $1.20 range. If we're starting to see movement in the overall crypto market, which could be bearish, that this could be sending this coin down a little bit further, just depending on how the overall market does, along with the amount of volume, and if there's any catalysts that are coming up with XRP or any updated news on the situation. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only, so make sure you always do your due diligence before investing into the stock or the crypto market.